In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download your new default app. I already did that, so I can go into Settings right away. In Settings, scroll to click on Apps section. Then tap on Choose Default Apps at the top and tap on one of those sections. In my case, Browser app. Now tap on an app you wanna apply as your new default, in my case Chrome. And when you finished, just go back. As you can see, after that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!